Have you ever accidentally deleted a partition or lost access to your hard drive? Don't panic. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 best partition recovery software for Windows and Mac that can help you get your data back safely. Let's get started. First up, we have TestDisk. This is a completely free and open source tool, and it is surprisingly powerful. It supports a huge list of file systems from Windows FAT and NTFS to Linux ext and even Mac partition. The only catch? It uses a command line interface, so beginners may find it tricky. But if you follow the step-by-step guide on their site, it can handle recovery like a pro, all without costing a dime. Next up is Stellar Partition Recovery. This one is much more user-friendly. If you have ever used any Stellar product, you'll feel right at home. The recovery process is simple. Select what type of data you want to restore, choose your drive, and then pick the files you want to bring back. It supports deleted, hidden, or even inaccessible partitions. Pros include a clean interface, raw recovery mode, and a simple 3-step recovery process. The drawbacks is that the Windows and Mac versions support different file systems. Windows supports NTFS, FAT16, FAT32, and exFAT, while Mac supports AFFS, HFS, and HFS+. That means you don't get universal flexibility. Still, for everyday users who want an intuitive recovery solution, Stellar is a reliable choice. At number 3, we have DiskDrill, one of the most popular partition recovery tools out there. The best thing about DiskDrill is its ease of use. You can just install it, scan your drive, and recover lost data with a few clicks. DiskDrill supports Windows, Mac, and even Linux partitions. It recognizes primary, logical, and extended partitions, making it versatile enough for almost any data loss situation. It's not just for partitions either. It comes with professional-grade file recovery and extra tools to protect your data, like disk health monitoring and cleanup utilities. It's a freemium tool, so the free version has some limitations. But overall, it's a great balance of modern design and powerful recovery features. The only con? It doesn't include a built-in partition manager. DiskGenius is an all-in-one tool that not only helps with data and partition recovery, but also offers a complete set of partition management features. It's a great pick for IT professionals who need versatility, but it is simple enough for home users too. With DiskGenius, you can recover lost files and partitions, clone hard drives, create or delete partitions, and even restore data from formatted partitions. One unique feature is its ability to virtualize your current operating system into a VMware image, which adds extra value for advanced users. The only drawback is its slightly outdated interface, which looks old-fashioned compared to modern tools. But in terms of usability and performance, it gets the job done without much trouble. Supporting file systems like NTFS, exFAT, exFAT32, FAT16, FAT12, and ext2 through ext4. DiskGenius runs on freemium model, meaning you can try it out and unlock more features when needed. Overall, it's a reliable feature-packed solution that balances recovery and partition management in one place. And finally, we have MiniTool Partition Wizard. This is a freemium tool that becomes very powerful if you're willing to pay for the premium versions. With the free edition, you can already create, format, move, resize, and extend partitions. You can also check file system integrity and convert FAT to NTFS. But once you upgrade, you unlock a full partition recovery, file recovery, OS migration, and even a bootable media builder, which is extremely useful if your operating system refuses to load. Pros include the ability to recover both partitions and files, plus the option to revive raw partitions. The cons? Limited file system support compared to TestDisk or DiskDrill, and most advanced features are locked behind a paid license. Still, if you want a professional all-in-one partition and recovery suite, MiniTool delivers. So, which one should you pick? If you want free and powerful, go with TestDisk. If you want something easy, Stellar or DiskDrill are great. And if you want professional level recovery, DiskGenius and MiniTool has you covered. You'll find the links to all softwares in the description. That's it for our list of best partition recovery software for Windows and Mac. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which one you'd try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.